Hello friends, welcome to Simply Doing. Now, today we will learn about aligning an object in PowerPoint. So, first of all, friends, subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos and updates in the training session. Now, for example, you can see that this is a picture or a clip art. Sometimes we put in the PowerPoint we put things here and there, but we want to we can precisely align or distribute an object or set an object to proper place as we want this thing to uh, align. This is an shape, this is a text box. We also want to align this thing. These are three different types of things. Okay, so if we want to align this object, just go to format tab. First of all, click the object and just go to format tab, and then you can see here align left. It will align to the left of the slide. One thing. Now align center. It will align the object to the center of the slide. Okay. Now align right. It will align to the rightmost of the slide. If this is what we say is horizontal. Now if you want this as vertical, it means top to bottom. This was left to right alignment, and i.e. horizontal. But if you want to align it vertical, then just check that align top. It aligns at top. You can see the difference after aligning top. Align middle. It will align at the middle of the slide. Okay, this is the middle part. You can see the ruler 0 starting from here, and we move. Okay, that's it. We have verified that. Align bottom. It is at the bottom right. Okay, we have set the align horizontal to right and align vertical to bottom. Now, what next? Can we do this thing also? Yes. Move to format tab, click on align center. Now you can see it's the this thing is just uh, this thing is middle. You can see that the ruler, this ruler you can see 0, and now see that yes, it perfectly middle. It's perfectly middle. Now align center. Okay, it's done. Align left. It's left. Align right. It's right. Okay. Now I want to do a top and left. Okay, that's still good. Now something is that there is a two object and you want one object to be in the rightest center. Okay, so So there are two objects. One is the lady with the computer, and next one is a triangle. Okay. Now I have set the lady with the computer to the improper alignment. Okay, that's improper line. Now what if I want to not align with the slide, the whole slide, not align with the whole slide? This is the my triangle. This is my triangle. Okay. I do not want this lady with the computer clipper to align with whole slide, but I want align with the triangle. And what we have to do is just select both objects with control by pressing control and click. It's that. Select an object, keep holding control and click that. Okay, both objects are selected. Now click on Format tab to align. Okay, click on first Format tab, go to Align Middle. That's good. If you can see, it is the middle part. I will verify. Okay, align bottom. Yes, you have achieved that by selecting both items and selecting both items. You can uh, click on align middle, top, bottom, right, left, center, and that item will move to its uh, position as per our preference. So now I will try, or I will try that. I will try this text. This text fill with the. Okay, this is good. Yeah, this is good. But okay, this is good. I will try that. I put at the bottom part of this triangle and then select both parts. I will see two format tabs. You can see, select this and then select this. Okay, you can't see two format tabs because one is an object. Okay, one is in shape, other one is a text box, so you can't see two format tabs. But in the case of uh, two objects, you can see two format tabs. Okay, that's so now you have seen that if you select a text box and then by pressing control and holding the control, clicking on the object, if you select two things, one text box and one object, then you will see one format tab. But if you select two objects, like this is a shape and this is a clip art photo, you will see two format tabs. First is a first, second is a second object. If I click here, let's test. Let's test this thing. If I click on the second format tab and align center, what has happened? You can see. You can see that what has happened. If I set align bottom in the first tab, align top. Okay, both the tabs are working In the same way, because the object is big, one object is big and one object is small. If I set one object to the same size as of, let's see what happens. Format, align, left. Okay, this thing is shifting. No, this thing is shifting. The picture, the clip art. Okay, now I first select this and then select the clip art, format, align, center. Okay, then again this thing is shifting the clip art and now the triangle. Okay, but what to do for another option? There are two things: align to slide and align to slide. Okay, uh thanks, viewers. We have seen that how to align the objects in PowerPoint. Like, comment and subscribe.